Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I have two DIYs that you're gonna love. They are easy, inexpensive, and they look top-notch, high dollar. They don't look cheap at all. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I created these, and I really hope this inspires you to create some things of your own and gives you ideas. That's all. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and share it with your friends.
So you had me bite through the bullet. I won't play a second fiddle with you. You look away just when they pull it. You gotta step up, yeah, you miss your cue. Ooh, your time is up now. I'm no fool. I know what you are up to, keep things cool, but it won't help you this time. This time, no. This time, yeah. This time, no. Back when they were on ya, wasn't easy, but I held your ground. Still I get nothing honest from ya. Excuse me, but I won't buy into your big lie. No need to bother me tonight. They shoot you down this time and I won't fight. I got my head held high. This time, no. This time, yeah. This time, no. Oh, you think your plan worked out, but I know what's coming your way. So you think you're better than everyone else, but I know what's yet to come. 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 This time.